Hello, it's Mackenzie and another video. Today we're making Lucky Charms with
Rice Krispie treats.
Rice Krispies treats.
I was trying to get it where y'all can see me too.
And we have my cereal. We have this.
I guess I gotta get me a cheddar seed in, boo.
Okay, so I can mix it.
So they can see me.
Hey, wait.
Y'all, this Saturday, and I'm doing some Rice Krispie treats with my grandson, right? So I had some small boxes of Rice Krispies.
We have a big box.
Give me the scissors right there. I'm melting my butter right now, y'all. I did like 2 sticks of butter. You don't go to the stove by yourself. You know that. Yeah, he's so fast and impatient. So I'm trying, while my butter is melting, I'm gonna open up these small boxes of Rice Krispies. No, these are Rice Krispies.
I thought they was Lucky Charms.
And he got a few fruity pebbles left.
Who, me?
That I'm gonna mix in with it.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Am I?
We gotta make sure we don't burn our butter.
Huh?
That butter. All right, let me go over here to the butter, y'all. I just had to get these cut open.
I'm just gonna pour it. Can I pour it?
No. Hold on, y'all.
Let me see the butter. The butter melt. So guys, the butter melt and butter.
Let me try to bring y'all over
And
to where I got the butter melting.
Can I hold this part?
Wait, baby. Move.
So sticky, so.
Baby, get back. Y'all see my butter melting right there? Okay. So I got it on medium-high heat. One of my legs is weak. I hope it don't give out, Lord. Sorry about all that, y'all. But I got this on medium-high heat. It is hot. We're gonna add our marshmallows. Come on, boo. Bring your thing over.
One by one.
You can't sing while we're recording now. This is a half a bag. Maybe a quarter of a bag.
Marshmallow.
A marshmallow. But I got another whole bag.
A whole bag? Can you give me one? One more time.
I believe I can turn the heat off. Well, I'm gonna turn it down a little low till we melt these marshmallows. Boo, be patient and wait on me.
Okay. So Mom K will have more marshmallows, and we need a little bit.
Yeah, I'm trying to make these by memory. Ooh, Rice Krispies is falling on the floor. We need to stir these, boo. Okay. Wait, be careful. Wait, let me add some more.
Can I stir it now?
Wait.
Stir it now?
Yes.
Yeah, I want to do it by myself.
You can't do it by yourself.
Okay. We melted these.
So make sure you stir and stir.
Good. So we make sure we don't burn stuff.
Right.
So we gotta get adults to help kids so they won't burn stuff. Why? If we burn stuff, we're gonna be in big trouble.
Big trouble. I think I want to add a little bit more marshmallow. What you think, boo? Hold it. Stir. Yeah, I did about a big bag. We want it to be marshmallowy. That's why I did 2 sticks of butter. We want it to be buttery.
This is gonna be so good in a bussin'.
Gonna be good in the bussin'.
Why it's so cheesy?
It's not cheese, it's marshmallowy. Now we could have bought the marshmallow that was already in a jar, that was already melted.
It looks like slime.
But we want to do it old school, old school.
It looks like slime.
It do?
Yes. Can we put it?
No, it's hot, boo.
It's melting.
It is melting.
Look at it. It looks so cheesy. Can we make it some more?
It's buttery.
We're gonna make it some more?
No, we're not making some more. We're making Rice Krispie treats.
So let's do it.
Mix. So I used about a bag and a half of marshmallow, y'all, for ours. Because we want to make a big, well, we got 2 small pans, but I like it to be,
marshmallows?
baby, is you going to help me make them or you want to eat the marshmallow?
I want to help you. Let's go. Let's cook them. Cook them.
So we got to keep stirring
Keep
so you won't burn it.
Keep stirring. Keep stirring.
And once your marshmallows melt,
You want to see the marshmallows melt, guys? They melting.
once it melts, then you're gonna add your Rice Krispies to it.
Yes.
You're gonna turn the heat off.
And the Rice Krispies gonna get so buzzing.
Really sorry.
But we have to wait when we start mixing. We are agitating. Are we agitate?
Agitating.
Agitate.
Educating.
Yes.
Yes, we're educating.
Why do you look like cake? Why do you look like cake?
It look like cake, don't it?
It looks like
Ooh.
my birthday.
Ooh, marshmallowy.
It's so.
Okay, let me hold it.
Can I eat the marshmallows?
Yeah. He gonna take a couple marshmallows and eat it.
You love marshmallows?
I do.
I thought it was for cheese.
Oh, they say they do.
But I love.
All right, let's put this down. I think y'all can still see into the pot.
Yes.
Keep stirring, stirring. See? I think I can add some more marshmallows since I added 2 sticks of butter. But I like mine to be buttery.
Mine's gonna taste better than yours.
Yours gonna taste better than mine?
Mm-hmm.
How you feel like it is? Ooh.
So watch this.
I could have did 1 stick of butter, but I don't like mine to be dry. I don't want no dry treats.
What is it? So these marshmallows look like popcorn.
You like popcorn?
Mm-hmm. And my look.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to make a Rice Krispies. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Rice Krispies.
Oh, yeah. There we go again. Thick like I want it. Thick like me.
It's melting.
All right, let's add in some vanilla flavor.
Vanilla. I like vanilla. What's this? What's that?
Do about a teaspoon, or maybe I do a tablespoon. Wait. Of vanilla flavor.
Vanilla mix.
All right, we're gonna turn this heat off.
Ooh,
Cause y'all saw.
oh my god! It's melting!
You see that?
It's melting,
Smells
guys! It looks like slime, right, guys?
Yeah, it look like a little slime there.
Well, can I play with it?
No, we gonna eat this. We're making Rice Krispie treats, man. Also, we're gonna start adding in our Rice Krispies.
Let's do this, please.
Excuse me, y'all. Let me get in here. Scoop up these Rice Krispies. I got a little Fruity Pebbles though.
Don't do for mine.
I'm gonna do about a cup of Fruity Pebbles. You stir it. Don't flip it out the pot now. Let me help him with this.
This is like a charm marshmallow.
Let me get some more Fruity Pebbles. I'm sorry, Rice Krispies. Stir.
Guys, I did look. Ooh! This one looks lighter. Guys, you want to try this one?
Ooh.
Sorry.
So y'all,
Sorry,
boo,
Kayla.
I'm gonna need you not to flick them out the pot.
Sorry.
Oh, I gotta clean up this mess. But we're gonna fold it, okay?
Okay, so it should be like mine.
Let y'all do. Y'all hear the snap, crackle, and pop?
Poppin'! It's popping. I heard it.
You hear it popping?
Oh yeah, poppin'.
We're gonna add in some more, a little bit more Rice Krispies. Yeah, I got a mess all over the floor. That's what happens when you work with children.
Guys, let's keep messy. Why don't you like it? Why don't you like a s'more?
So you're gonna fold it in like a s'mores? Sort of like a s'mores?
Yeah, like, it looks like cookie.
You do?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Like a children.
Colorful.
Colorful rainbows.
Hold on.
It's rainbows. Rainbows. It's rainbows, Kayla.
Wait, baby.
It's rainbows. How about how we put some more in here? More marshmallows.
No more marshmallows.
Oh, close. Oh, close. Like some marshmallow. Right your hand like some marshmallow. You do. You go. Oh.
Oh, these look delicious, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. A little buttery and marshmallowy. Okay.
I'm gonna hold it this part.
Wait. Okay, let's do the transfer over to the pans. Y'all give me, hold on. Get off, let it go. Let it go.
Let it go.
Let me move y'all back to my island. Alright, y'all see that? Come on, bring your step stool over here.
Guys, you see this?
Gonna use some parchment paper. This is here.
This is my camera. Come on.
And then I'm gonna get a piece for myself.
Yes.
I got the glass.
Glass.
I don't have any more aluminum pans. And I'm gonna spread with some Pam.
Pam.
We're gonna scoop.
Whoa. It's colorful. It's colorful, Kayla. Do you need to put it in the oven?
No, just let it sit and cool. I'll let you spread it out.
Who, me?
Mm-hmm.
So I have spread it out. That's not my grandma said. Hold on. Can I spread it out?
Yep.
came out good.
You spread it out. All right, let me let y'all see him spread it out. Come on.
Mine is good. Look at mine. Da 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 da. Slide it. Slide it together.
That's pink smooth and yours out. That camera get hers. Y'all see that?
Guys, look at mine. Mine is colorful. Yeah, I like yours.
It's hot. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Dude, this so hot.
It is hot, boo. Okay, that's enough spreading. You gonna show them yours?
Can I taste it?
Baby, it's hot. I think them, the small boxes of Rice Krispies will stale. Nevertheless, we're gonna eat these Rice Krispies.
Hello.
What?
Hello, I just slide it right here. Hey, how about...
I'm trying to get out my Rice Krispies before they congeal.
Guys, did you ever eat Rice Krispies?
How are you?
A little bit more Sweet Kiki. What's your last name, Sweet Kiki?
Sweet Kiki's. Their first name Sweet, last name Kiki.
Sweet?
That's another mesh in yours. Get this hot stuff off the side of this pan. All right, y'all, let's see. Are you licking it?
Yeah. Little guy has a mustache.
You can have a mustache.
No cheesy. It's cheesy.
It's not cheese, it's marshmallows. Marshmallowy. You eat more than you put in there. Don't mash it no more. We get a little bit more. Oh, I should have got like a wooden spoon. This stuff gets sticky down at the bottom.
Let me do some more.
I'm gonna go get me a spoon. Boom. Bam. That's it right down.
It's cooling, Kama.
I know it's cooling. We got to cool some more before we can cut into them and eat them. We'll have to come back and show y'all our finished results. Y'all, actually, this is my first time actually making Rice Krispie treats ever in my life. And I'm 45 years old. I always wanted to make them, but I never did. I always ate ones that somebody else made.
Marshmallows.
But I never actually made them myself. But then, here we go.
You didn't make even stuff. We made it together.
We made it together. Y'all heard, and we made it together.
See, teamwork always dreamwork. Teamwork always dreamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Okay, let me see about yours, meshing yours down. I think mine will be better than yours. Yes, it is.
Come down my good or chamber. Team Dyer, Team Papa, or Zaire. Team Kama or me.
He said give a thumbs up if it's Team Zaire. give a heart if it's team camo.
They picked me.
No, they didn't.
Did you pick me? They said yeah.
We'll see.
Don't pick my camo. Got it, guys?
Okay. So let's show them yours.
Mine is
This is ours.
Mine is better. It's a square.
This is mine.
Wait, it's a square too.
So we're gonna let these cool. It's a square. We're gonna let these cool and then we'll come back and show y'all the results on another video. Put it down. It's hot.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. We love you all. Peace.
Bye. Bye-bye.